Making a tape block dragon. Take an EVA foam block. You need 2 pieces of tape. An LED and a battery. And the LED sits on the top corner at one end. The battery goes at one end to form the complete circuit. When placing the battery in, make sure the plus side is out. This is 1 mil EVA foam sheet. Using EVA foam, cut small scales. You can use hot glue, but you can also use PVA glue or craft glue. Round the corners of the block. Cut out pieces of foam to highlight the eyes. Trace the second piece so that they match. Individually stick the scales on. You can use additional colours to highlight the eyes. Additional pieces of foam can be used to accentuate features of the dragon. Make sure that when you're placing the eyes, they both face towards you in the same direction and are looking in the direction that you want. By using additional foam, you're able to change the shape of the block so that it's not just a block anymore, but it actually has real character. And there is your tape block dragon.